Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit your photos with Gothic styles in just one click on the CapCut Mobile. So first, you need to add your photo into the CapCut apps like this. You can add any photo that you like and click on the photo on the timeline here. Go to Style, then click on the AI photo category. Swipe through the options until you find this section. So there are lots of options. You can choose between Gothic Girl or Boy, or also there's a shadow doll. Just choose which one that you think fits you the best. Let's try the shadow doll first. Okay, so this is the result. Or you can also use the Gothic Girl or Boy. Okay, I like this one better. So just click on the check icon and you are done. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.